Good morning, students. This is the mind mapping method for the chapter of reproduction. It's 10th biology. So, this is the total containment of the chapter. So, the containment will be divided according to the sequence manner like this by giving different colors to the all branches of this total containment. So mind mapping method is an ultimate technique to empower the memory bandwidth and to get the maximum predictability on the chapter. So it's a wonderful technique to learn easily of all the chapter. Just look at this, the total containment of the chapter. Here the production system, the reproduction system in plants, how it could be, and in the animals, how that could be classified. We will observe very carefully. See, in this mind mapping method, we can learn all the branches very easily. Here, the reproduction, we know the reproduction process in the animals and in the plants. In the plants, so many kinds of reproduction are there that we could see very deeply. Here, in plants, asexual reproduction. So, single organism related creatures we could see here in the asexual. It's not sexual process. In the asexual process, actually, the organs won't meet, but the production will happens in the single cell organism, that is called. So, for example, in bacteria or else virus. So all that are single cell organs, single cell creatures. So they will produce like the single cells only. So without the sexual process. In the asexual process, these things will happen. For example, spores and the vegetative propagation. Even in the vegetative propagation, asexual process, we know that combining two branches like that and just over twisting by threads at the middle of the stem. So such a process will generate the reproduction of vegetative this propagation. Propagation means spread, covering area and spread. That is the meaning of propagation. So the plants will propagate like that by asexual process. Here fungus and fungi. Fungi also rhizopus. That is also related to the asexual process. It is generating like that. Microscopic reproductive units like thread-like structure and blackish power stalks and non-flowering plants. Even non-flowering plants, we know, if we cut one branch and just to plant it, again that will be get reproductive process itself. So that kind of nature has this spores and fungi. In the vegetative propagation, natural vegetative propagation, that is natural, how it could be by the photosynthesis. All this functioning and the process will be generated. We have seen in the first chapter, that is photosynthesis. So in the photosynthesis, actually the light energy or source, solar energy should be compulsory. Then only the photosynthesis process will develop inside the plants through the roots and through the stem. So water will absorb. So whenever the leaves are gets down itself, that means there is no source of water. If no source of water, that will be root hairs will send the signals to the stem. Again stem will send signals to all branches. Leave all the leaves like that. Why? Because I am unable to provide the water from the root hairs. So automatically that leaves will fall down day by day, day by day. Within a week, all the leaves of the tree will get down because of stem will send the signals like that to the all branches of the tree. So here, natural vegetative propagation through the roots. Roots will absorb all the vitamins and proteins of the soil and the very worthfulness of the soil and even the wet soil. So all that wet soil will be used by this root and root hairs. Dahlia roots and radish roots will be there. Next, stems. Stems, adventitions, roots and runners and stolons. So these stems are actually, we know, above the ground level and up to the neck level of the tree, that called the stem. So stem have more functions. So it will send and receive the all signals from the root hairs, and it is like a mediator between the branches and the root hairs. So stem is the decentralized part to the tree. So like this, vegetative propagation will happen in the plants. So those will give fruits and vegetables like that by this system. Next, sexual reproduction. All animals have this property, that is sexual reproduction. So reproduction will be possible by the sexual only. For example, human beings. Human also related to the animals. Don't think other way. Human is not a separate creature on the earth. All the human beings also related to the animals. So we are all the animals. So here, sexual process we know very well just by the imagination. See, in the sexual reproduction, this is actually placental mammal in the human. Male have testes and sperm. So sperm cell actually like this. Some head, nucleus. Nucleus is the center of this sperm controlling neck and mitochondria and the middle piece tail. Tail is the like a device to move very fast. So whenever this sperm cell swims very fast, that will join with the females related estrogen things. So in that estrogen cells, it will join and that will change as a zygote. So after 3 months, that is 90 days, that zygote will get functioning. So functioning will start after 3 months of that zygote, which was in the ovary. So in the ovary, this zygote will develop like that. So that zygote will get properties like after the 90 days, hands, legs, head, even the sexual parts also will get functioning after the 90 days of that baby inside the ovary. That may be male or female baby. That will happen in the ovary. Ovary we know very well. That is lady's stomach. So in that ovary, all this functioning will happen there. Here, testes. Testes are the like a bladders. So it will store all the testosterone related hormones. So the testosterone related hormones will have the functioning and it will ignite all that sperms. So in one sexual process, male person will give only one time of ejaculation. In that ejaculation, this sperm will be like that. So it will, after ejaculation of male person, the sperms will swim very fastly and it will go to the estrogen, and the next process will continue for third 90 days. After that 270 days, that 6 months, so 180 days. So total will be 180 days plus this 90. So like that, within the 9 months, that baby will get delivered. This is the sexual process in the all animals. So this is male related, that is female related. Female have ovaries, so child will come, uterus and corn, ammunition and allantois, and 3 months of that. Next, totally the 9 months will take to continue all this process. Next, mitotic cell division will be like this. So single cell division, multi-cell division we have seen. So in the single cell division, actually only the single cells will develop like this. So single cells will join, and finally at the nutshell, like a nutshell, all the related cells will be formed. That is the cell division. Next, if we come to here, self-pollination, P family, that will be, see here, stigma, pollen tube, style, ovary. Ovary means this is the main source to give the reproduction. So oval and gametes, these are the Petri cells and amorous seed. Here, artificial vegetative propagation. Artificial, that means not naturally. In the artificial process, we could see first cutting, next layering and grafting. Cutting the tree means if they cut one branch of the tree, so that will take and it will buried at place. So totally, slowly that branch will go like this, like another tree. That is cutting. In individually existing plant, buried soil, for example rose we know, if we cut one branch, we can take that and we too can able to planting that plant. So after few days we will get that plant at the functioning stage. Next one, layering. Layering means budding. For example, whenever some trees, if you observe, see the trees will be, while growing, so branches will touch the earth, again that will get some roots and stem, again some other branches will touch the soil, and that soil will give again functioning to that stem and root hairs, everything like that. The tree will totally spread, it will go on continuously. So if the soil is available, until the availability of the soil, this kind of trees will go. That is layering of artificial vegetative propagation. Next, grafting. Grafting of the plants, it's also a very economical plant nowadays. Grafting of the plants means joining the two plants and set as a one plant. So that is the grafting. Two plants join like that. Here layering, one not bent ground, moist soil, new plant will come. Nerium, we know, the trees. So that kind of trees will spread like that. So until the availability of the soil, even 2 acres, 10 acres, even 50 acres, even to the 1000 acres, this kind of trees will spread. Next, asexual in the reproduction, fission happens. Fission, budding, fragmentation, and pathenosis, and regeneration. Here, fission, single-celled split into two symmetrical manner. That means, for example, Paramecium bacteria. So all the single cells will be transformed like that. Budding, that is identical copy of parent. Same like a parent, same nose, same hairstyles, same way of talking and walking, like that. 100 or 150 things will transform to his generation. So that is the budding. Fragmentation, grow single piece fragment from any part of body. Common mode, for example, fungi, algae, like that. Algae we know. So same fragmentation like that. It will happen. Next one, parthenosis, that is sexual to asexual mode of reproduction. Female garments develop without fertilization. For example, seedless fruits and grapes and watermelon. So these things will become under parthenosis. Next, regeneration, that is new individual organisms body parts cut many parts, many pieces, and separate separate individual. For example, planaria. So like this. For example, if you want to generate separately the organs, so in the artificial areas, so this kind of regeneration process will happen. For example, if you take some muscles from some animals, we can develop in the labs, so that muscles will develop like that. For example, if you take one goat meat, so in the lab we can develop that 20 cages of goat into some lakhs of cages. Yeah, it will happen. There is a possibility in the regeneration process. So like that, all the meat, that is immediately, all the meat, that is chicken or any other things, we can generate in the laboratories artificially. That will happen in the biotechnological process. It's an upcoming project to the world, already started in the US. So that regenerated things will happen in the laboratories by the next century, or else in the 22nd or 23rd century. The people will use this kind of process definitely. So this is the total mind mapping method for the reproduction chapter 10th class. Mind mapping is an ultimate technique to empower the memory bandwidth. Okay, thank you very much.